Permanent jewelry is one of the most interesting business ideas in the fashion and accessories space right now. It is simple to understand, beautiful to look at, and personal to the customer. People are not just buying a bracelet or an anklet. They are buying a small memory they can wear every day. In this video, we will focus on 3 things. First, what the permanent jewelry business is. Second, why many people are starting this business now. Third, the step-by-step guide to start it properly. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Now, let us get into the business. What is a permanent jewelry business? A permanent jewelry business is a business where you fit jewelry on a customer and weld it closed instead of using a normal clasp. The piece can be a bracelet, anklet, or necklace. The customer chooses the chain they like. You measure it on them. You fit it properly. Then you use a small welding machine to join the ends together. The jewelry is called permanent because it has no clasp and is designed to stay on for a long time. But it can still be removed when the customer wants to take it off. What makes this business special is the experience. A customer may come with a best friend. A mother may come with her daughter. A bride may come with her bridal party. A couple may come to celebrate their relationship. So, you are not only selling jewelry. You are creating a moment. That moment is what people remember, talk about, and share online. Why are people starting permanent jewelry businesses now? People are starting permanent jewelry businesses now because the business is visual, flexible, personal, and can start small. First, it is visual. The welding process is interesting to watch. When people see a short video of a bracelet being joined together, they want to stop and look. This makes it a good business for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Second, the business is flexible. You do not need to open a big shop immediately. You can start with mobile appointments, salon partnerships, pop-up events, bridal events, boutiques, vendor markets, or private bookings. Third, customers like personal things. Many people now want products that feel special to them. Permanent jewelry gives them that feeling because it can represent friendship, love, celebration, or memory. Fourth, the business can have strong profit margins when managed properly. If your materials are well sourced and your pricing is right, you can make good profit from each piece. But you must price carefully because the money a customer pays is not all profit. You still have costs. Fifth, it is a good fit for creative entrepreneurs. If you enjoy beauty, customer service, events, and simple hands-on work, this business may suit you. But let us be clear. It is not enough to say the business is trending. If you want to start, you must start properly. Step 1. Learn the craft before you serve customers. You start by training. Do not start by buying chains. Do not start by posting prices. Start by learning the craft. You will be using a welding tool close to a human body, so you must know what you are doing. Good training should teach you how to set up the machine, how to hold the chain, how to protect the customer's skin, how to create a clean weld, how to check the join, and how to explain aftercare. You can learn through online courses, in-person workshops, manufacturer tutorials, or mentorship from someone who already does the business. Online training can help you understand the basics. In-person training can help you practice with guidance. Manufacturer tutorials can help you understand the exact machine you are using. When choosing training, ask what the course covers. It should cover safety, machine setup, client preparation, chain selection, welding technique, hygiene, finishing, and customer care. This is important because one bad experience can damage trust quickly. Customers are trusting you with their body, their money, and their memory. Treat that trust with care. Step 2. Choose a business name and build your brand. After training, choose a business name. Your name should be simple, clear, and easy to remember. It should also match the type of customers you want to attract. If your business will feel soft, romantic, and feminine, let your name and style show that. If your business will feel premium, clean, and modern, let your brand show that too. Your brand is not only your logo. It is your table setup, your colors, your packaging, your photos, your booking process, your customer service, and the way people feel when they meet you. If two people offer the same chain, the customer may choose the one that looks more organized, more professional, and more trustworthy. So, build your brand with intention. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Now, let us continue. Step 3. Register your business and handle legal requirements. Before you start taking paying customers, make sure your business is properly set up. Your legal requirements will depend on where you live and where you operate. In many places, you may need business registration, a tax number, a local business license, a sales tax permit, and insurance. If you are in the United States, this may include registering as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or partnership, getting an IN, checking state requirements, and collecting sales tax where required. Insurance is very important because you are working with tools, jewelry, customers, and physical service delivery. Some salons, events, and pop-up venues may ask for proof of insurance before they allow you to operate there. Legal setup may feel boring, but it protects you. It also makes customers and partners take your business more seriously. Step 4. Buy the right permanent jewelry equipment. The main tool you need is a pulse arc welder. This is the machine that joins the jewelry ends together. You will also need argon gas, a foot pedal or hand switch, safety goggles, a fire blanket or safety mat, pliers, flush cutters, digital calipers, tweezers or soldering pick, and good lighting. You also need jewelry materials like chains, jump rings, charms, alcohol wipes, packaging, thank you cards, and brand stickers. A starter kit can be helpful because it may include many of the things you need in one place. But do not buy a kit only because it is cheap. A weak welder or poor quality tool can lead to bad welds, wasted materials and unhappy customers. Look for quality, warranty, support, training resources, and tools that match the kind of business you want to build. Step 5. Understand the cost before you start. Starting a permanent jewelry business can cost a few $1,000s, depending on your equipment, training, registration, insurance, inventory, branding, and marketing. Your biggest early costs may include the welder, starter kit, training, insurance, safety tools, chains, charms, packaging, and event materials. You do not need to buy everything at once. You can start lean. Starting lean means you buy the important things first, serve customers properly, learn from the market, and grow with profit. But do not cut corners on safety, training, and equipment quality. Those 3 areas affect your reputation. You should also plan for monthly costs. These may include inventory restock, marketing, booking tools, insurance, event fees, packaging, and transport. A business can look busy and still lose money if the owner does not understand the costs. Step 6. Price your permanent jewelry properly. Pricing is where many small businesses make mistakes. Before you set your price, calculate your real cost per service. Count the chain, jump ring, welding supplies, packaging, your time, transport, event fee, booking fee, marketing, and profit. If a customer pays $75, that full $75 is not your profit. Some of it goes back into the business. Many permanent jewelry services are priced between $60 and $120 per piece, depending on chain type, length, location, add-ons, and customer experience. A bracelet may cost less than an anklet or necklace because it usually uses less material. You can also increase sales with charms, matching sets, bridal packages, mother and daughter offers, and limited edition chains. But always remember this: good pricing is not just about charging more. It is about giving enough value for the customer to trust the price. Step 7. Set up booking and payment systems. Make it easy for customers to book you. Your booking page should show your services, prices, available dates, location, contact details, and frequently asked questions. People should not have to send 5 messages before they understand what you offer. You can use tools like Square, Acuity, or Calendly to manage bookings and payments. For in-person sales, a portable point-of-sale system can make checkout smooth. The easier you make the process, the more likely people are to complete their booking. Step 8. Market your permanent jewelry business. Permanent jewelry is a visual business, so your marketing must show the experience. Show the chain. Show the fitting. Show the weld. Show the finished piece. Show customer reactions. Show your setup. Show your events. Show common questions and simple answers. Post short videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You can also build trust through customer stories. Ask happy customers to tag you, leave a review, or share a photo. Local marketing is also powerful. Partner with salons, boutiques, bridal vendors, event planners, wellness studios, and vendor markets. The best events are not always the cheapest events. The best events are the ones where your ideal customers are likely to be. If your audience is brides, go where brides are. If your audience is stylish working women, go where they shop, relax, or gather. Step 9. Choose where to sell. You can sell permanent jewelry in different ways. You can offer mobile appointments, house calls, salon partnerships, private events, pop-ups, vendor markets, bridal expos, retail collaborations, or a hybrid model. Mobile services are good for beginners because they reduce rent and allow you to test the market. Pop-ups are useful because many people can see your service at once. Salon partnerships can work because salons already have beauty-focused customers. Bridal events can be powerful because groups may book together. Online is also important, even though the service happens in person. Your website and social media help customers discover you, trust you, and book you. Step 10. Prepare for common challenges. Every business has challenges. Your welder may misfire. Your weld may be weak. An event may have low turnout. Customers may ask many questions. Prepare for these things early. Test your equipment before every session. Practice your welds often. Choose events carefully. Use booking tools. Keep your records. Set working hours. Ask for help when the business grows. Also, keep improving your brand. Competition may enter the market, but your service experience can make you different. Before you launch, check that your training is complete, your business is registered, your insurance is active, your kit is stocked, your booking system works, your brand assets are ready, your social media pages are set up, and your first sales location is confirmed. Practice before you serve the public. Test your tools. Practice your customer welcome. Practice your aftercare explanation. Prepare your packaging. Take photos and videos for your content. For launch week, keep it simple. Announce your launch. Show behind the scenes. Confirm bookings. Test equipment. Prepare packaging. Serve customers. Collect feedback. Ask for reviews. Use what you learn to improve. Permanent jewelry can be a creative, flexible and profitable business, but only when you treat it like a real business. Do not start with excitement alone. Start with training. Start with safety. Start with legal setup. Start with good tools. Start with clear pricing. Start with simple marketing. Start with a customer experience people will remember. Beauty can attract the customer, but structure keeps the business alive. To read the full guide on how to start a permanent jewelry business, visit entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to start a permanent jewelry business/. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel for more practical business guides. Visit entrepreneurs.ng for articles, tools, templates, business registration support, branding support, expert help and visibility opportunities. We are rooting for you. See you in the next video.